Hi everyone, I'm Henry, and today I'm going to show you how to find your home Wi-Fi password right from your computer on Windows 11. So this method is really beneficial because sometimes you don't have the password to your home router, so you can't sign into it and then look up your Wi-Fi password that way. So this method is really easy, so I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to start off by opening up your start menu. Once you have that open, you're going to open up Control Panel. So just type it in and it should come up on the search. So mine's right there. Once Control Panel is open, you're going to click on Network and Internet. Then you're going to click on Network and Sharing Center. Once you're here, you're going to see the name of your home Wi-Fi that you're already connected to on your computer. The name of my Wi-Fi is Malware. It's a fun little Wi-Fi name. So you're going to click on yours. Once this window opens, you're going to click on Wireless Properties. And then from here, in this menu, you're going to see two tabs. You need to click on the Security tab, and then here, this is where you're going to see your Wi-Fi password. Right here where it says Network Security Key. So yours probably looks like mine, so you're going to click on this checkbox right here that says Show Characters. When you do that, you're going to see the name of your Wi-Fi. And then one thing to note too is sometimes when you click on this checkbox, you're going to get a pop-up asking you to click yes or no. Just click yes. And then that's how you find your Wi-Fi password to a network that you're already connected to on Windows 11. So if this video helped you out, go ahead and click like or subscribe. It'll help out my YouTube channel. Thank you again.